I almost forgot to mention that on my videos here lately, I've been adding some photography and some other non-related videos, wildlife management areas and rivers, streams, flowers, bugs, and stuff at the end of my videos. And so far, people have seemed to really enjoy them. So even if you don't watch the whole video, skip through it to the end and check out that and see if you like it. And again, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll start off with this and then get to the cooking. Okay, Sunday, November the 3rd, 2024. Tonight we're going to have shop burgers in our Gourmia 4-quart air fryer. I think we're just going to make 3 patties out of this 1 pound. It may go 4, but probably just 3 patties. We're going to cook them at 375 for maybe 8 to 10 minutes, or I like mine a little more done. We may go 12 minutes. We're going to use this parchment paper liner that is just right for this Gourmia 4-quart air fryer. We're going to preheat it to 375. While it's preheating, we'll make the patties. We're going to set it to cook. Let's set it to cook at 12. We've already done that. There. $3.75, or was it $2.75? Let me cut it off and Google it again and see. Okay, that was correct. $3.75. It says for 8 to 10 minutes. We're also going to set them for 12. That way we'll probably turn them too with the parchment paper in there. It'll make it easier to clean up, but we'll probably have to turn them. Okay, let's get it started. Oh, and did that just delete? Yeah, I guess that deleted our settings. No, it didn't. Okay. Okay, we've got it preheating at 375. Let's go ahead and get the burgers made. We're going to add salt and pepper and some not Worcestershire, some A1. Yeah, I almost forgot. I remembered in time. Don't put your parchment paper in until time to start cooking. I did that once and it burns the parchment paper because it sends it up to the heat thing. Flutters it around. Okay. We set it at 12, but like I said, we dilly-dallied around a little bit. So we got it in for about 10.5 minutes. Let's see what we'll turn them at, it'll probably come on at 6. We'll turn them and then see how well we like them. Whether we want to cook them a little bit longer or whether they'll be just right. And we only added the Worcestershire and the pepper, Worcestershire, the A1, because A1's probably got enough salt in it. We won't need to salt the hamburger, so. Now we've just turned them. These are thick burgers. I don't think they're going to be ready. We're going to cook them at least 4 or 5 minutes longer. We're going to add some cook time to them. I like my burger sort of done, really. So let's go ahead and add 4. We'll see what that turns out to be. Let's set it at 8. We'll keep an eye on them. Yeah, they are browning, but I do not know that another 4 or 5 minutes is going to be enough for me. I like mine more done, so we're probably going to add an additional 2 or 3 minutes to it. We'll see. Okay, I have just flattened them out some, and they are still practically raw on the inside. So we flattened them out a little bit, we are going to add an additional probably 4 minutes to them and see how they are. We'll check on them again in 2 or 3 minutes. We may turn them one more time. Okay, we turned them again, and they're looking better, but they're still quite red in the middle, and I want mine brown or slightly pink, so we're gonna keep on cooking. Before our air fried hamburgers get ready, I'm going to put this on the front end. I've started adding photography and other video clips, wildlife, flowers, birds, things, different stuff on the end of these videos, and so far people have liked it a lot. Even if you don't watch the video all the way through, go to the end and check out the photography and the other video. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Okay, for me, these are just about perfect, I think. Don't make the same mistake I did by putting your cheese up here. If it's wrapped, those made it too. It wasn't too hot to melt them, but it made them too soft to get out of the package. So went and got some more. I'm going to add cheese to 2 of them. Put them back in, finish them up, let the cheese melt, and then we'll pull them out and sample them. Okay, for me, there's still a little bit of a pink in there, so that's just about right for me. They're still juicy and moist. So I think the Velveeta was a poor choice of the cheese. I should have gone with a regular cheddar. But anyway, I'm going to, and I very seldom eat any bread with my burgers. I just probably eat them like they are. But anyway, well, I guess we need to try one, don't we? Let y'all see what we think. Just tender, moist. I haven't put anything but A1 on them and a little pepper. Well, very good. Put them on a bun with some onions, lettuce, and tomato. That'd be excellent. Okay, well, this should wrap it up. And like I say, I'm going to add some other photography and video to the end of this video, and people have enjoyed it so far. And it's sort of totally unrelated to the air fryer and the cooking, but wildlife, nature, flowers, bugs, that kind of stuff, places. Okay, yeah, we got Shop Cat's attention. She was sleeping soundly, and now she's woken up. So it looks like she may be wanting to come over here and have some burgers. I'll save her some. No cheese, though. First video of summer 2024. Wild black-eye Susans. Okay, we're going to do a little short video. We got video, a long horizontal video. We'll do a short video of this fine fellow or gal. Found him up at the house. Brought him down here in the woods. Vic will be cutting the grass. We do not want him to be cut up in the lawnmower. These bugs are eating me alive. Boy, look at this rascal. Isn't he pretty? I guess he's a king snake. Hey, buddy. What you doing, buddy? You think that's the grass? Where you going? I don't know what these things are, folks, but they're pretty neat. Today we're going to get several different types of videos. We're going to start using the Insta360 x3 a lot more. I finally started figuring out a little bit about it, so I'm going to be using it a lot more. I'm going to try to do some fishing and some bike riding videos. So I'm hoping to get more variety and some more interesting things involved in the video channel today. So y'all stay tuned, keep an eye out. I should be getting some stuff up. I'll get this up here shortly. This will be a short. We're at the Kroger in Cartersville. Cypress knobs.